This 2019 Keystone Hideout 3 BHDS double slide, 1.5 baths, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, slideout, TV, external shower, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Hideout 3 BHDS double slide, 1.5 baths, DBL Bed Bunks is 8,540 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.